We'll now be looking at chapter 8. Yes, this is a very huge study. It's a big study. All right. So, chapter 8. We're now looking at our conclusion. Very important chapter. 8.1, we look at an overview. 8.2, we look at discussions for implications for policy, practice, and theory. Just want to remind you of the thesis statement. Transformation of Jamaica's education system in a global crisis, a constructivist view. The study was conducted by Dr. Carolyn Davy. It was completed July 2023. Supervisor Professor Peter Smith from UK, and Director Professor John Fulton from UK. So 8.1, so we start off chapter 1 with our conclusion, then we have 8.1 overview, 8.2 discussions of implications of policy, practice, and theory. 8.3 explore the limitations of the study, future directions, and impact. 8.4 looked at the reflections. 8.4 looked at reflections. 8.5 looked at summary and conclusion. 8.6, the recommendations. And we're looking at recommendations at different levels. So we look at recommendations at the strategic level, the operational level, and the tactical level. Then from after looking, we also explore these recommendations as it relates to the theme. So these recommendations, they were done systematically in line with the themes of the study. So theme 1, we looked at the recommendations for the strategic level, which is the pillar 1 of the study. Theme 2, we look at recommendations at the tactical level, which aligns with the pillar 2 in the study. Theme 3 and 4, they were both combined because they had patterns, similar trends, and connections. So the researcher combined theme 3 and 4, which aligns with pillar 3 and 4 of the study. And this is at the operational, and not just the operational level, but at the strategic, the tactical, and operational level. We looked at 8.7. The researcher prepared an action plan. Also, there were a figure and a table. So the researcher prepared 8.7, an action plan. Figure 8.1, which is SUU457 action plan. And the researcher prepared table 8.1, SUU457 theory, recommended action, plan of action. So the researcher prepared an action plan. You can go and look at that. Figure 8.1, SUU, which remember the S is for smart, the U is for usable, the other U is for unique. SUU457 theory, and we have the four pillars emerging from the five the five columns that indirectly emerged from the four pillars. So we have SUU457, the 4, which is the 4 pillars, right? From the 4 pillars indirectly emerge 5 columns, and from 7 columns, sorry. So from the 4 pillars indirectly emerge 7 columns, and from the 7 columns emerged directly 7 more columns. These pillars and columns, these are theory, recommended, plan of action. Theory, recommended, plan of action. Explanation of SUU457, you can find that as well. 8.81, cell 4 pillars, supporting educational leaders. 8.82, UCC5 columns. These are 7 columns. So though it's UCC5 / these are 7 columns emerging indirectly from the mystery unexpected pillars or data. Then you have 8.3 UOS 7 columns, contribution to theory and practice. And this is narrowed down with figure 8.2. We have the final diagram of SUU457 theory. We have come to the end. It has been a rich, long, in-depth table of contents. But this is preparing you so you can plan as to how you approach exploring this thesis. Thank you very much.